I'm doing this really quick. So I am about to show you within the next clip basically everything that I am going to be packing for the trip and everything. And I was supposed to like tell you where I'm going to be going and all that. So basically, this is going to be like me telling you about the trip, but then also pack with me like a trip video type of thing. So I'm putting those two type of videos together. So basically that's going to be a detailed trip video slash pack with me video. So furthermore, let's get into the next clip of telling you basically what I'm going to be packing. Well, actually telling you what I'm going to be, where I'm going to be going. In the next clip, I'm going to tell you where, basically what I'm going to be packing and bringing and all that type of good stuff. So let's get into the clips. Okay, so basically I am going to be going to Washington, D.C. Super excited, can't wait, and I'll be going there next.
So yeah guys, right now I'm somewhere, but I just want you to know that video is posted already on that vlog channel, which is in the description down below, and it is called Deja'S Living It Up. So just be going to go over and watch the content I had posted already over there, and also content that I am going to be posting in a little while. So go over and watch it. Also subscribe to my vlog channel because more content that I'm going to be doing on my daily life, and also travel videos, vlogs, Christmas vlogs, basically all type of holiday vlogs that I'm going to be doing. So be over and posted for videos for you to go see and let me know what you think about it. So like I said, the description for my vlog channel, which is called Deja'S Living It Up, it was in the description down below. So go check it out, subscribe, and let me know what you think, and catch you guys in the next video.